Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to migrate the on-premises SQL database to Azure SQL database. First of all, I will show you my on-premises SQL database. This is my on-premises SQL database. You can see these are my credentials that I'm going to use to migration. Okay, this is on-premises. Okay, and I will show you my cloud DB. This is my SQL database. Free and 8229. This is my SQL database name and this is my server name. Okay, these are my credentials of my SQL database. Okay, Azure SQL database. Click on overview. Okay, now we will start the operation. So before you migrate into on-premises to SQL database, you need to use the Azure Migrate. Okay, in this Azure Migrate you can see servers, migrating the servers, and also SQL servers, and also explore the more scenarios. Okay, currently we are working with the SQL servers only. You can see here access migrate your on-premises database to Azure SQL database. Okay, click on this access. Okay, you can see when you click on this DMA data migration assessment, you will have this application on your on-premises. Okay, once you click on this this button, you can download it from the tool. Okay, you can see, yeah, click on this, it will redirect to, once you click on this here button, it will redirect to this data migration assistant. Okay, click on this download button and download this data migration assistant. Okay, now we will start the operation. So how to migrate? So I'm going to give the, okay, click on this radio button, migration, mg migration on-prem to cloud. Okay, the source server type is SQL server, target is the Azure SQL database, and schema and data, and click on the create button. Only one migration is allowed at a time. Starting a new migration. Okay, already I have migrated one database, so yeah, server name. Now we are working with another database. We are copying one database. Okay, server name, this is the source server name. Okay, what is our source? This is our source. Click on this plug button and copy this server name. Okay, this is our Windows authentication, sorry, SQL authentication. Click on your password and please check on this trust server certificate. Okay, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, FreeRDB. Okay, we will check whether it's working or not. Okay, it is an existing. Okay, wait, is that this is our tool FreeRDB. Now we will migrate this FreeRDB to Azure SQL database. Okay, this is the target server. Where is our target server? Go to the Azure portal, click on this home, and this is our SQL database, Azure SQL database. This is our SQL server name. Okay, Azure SQL server name, and paste over here. And password, this is my username and password of the Azure SQL database. Again, check this trust server certificate and click on the connect button. Okay, FreeRDB already have selected. Click on next. Okay, preparing the source data schema it will take too much time. Okay, sometimes based on the data it will take the 20 minutes, 30 minutes also when you are working with the real-time scenarios. So definitely it will take almost 30 minutes because it will prepare the schema for your all tables. Okay, whatever the tables you have selected, it will prepare the schema for the all your database. Okay, okay, I don't want these all tables. Okay, currently I don't want to use the stored procedures. Just I'm going to select the tables only. Okay, products. Okay, deselect. Okay, first we will check the whether data is there or not in the tables. No data. Employee and income. I think there is no data here. Okay, employee has a data. We will use that one only. Okay, employee and employee details has the data. Okay, where is our tool? Yeah, employee and employee details. Okay, and generate a schema for these tables. Okay, when you are migrating the data, we are migrating the data in the form of the schema and data. Okay, so when you're migrating on premises to SQL database, it will, yeah, you can see it will migrate the data in this format. Okay, you can save here, you can see anywhere your for the reference purpose. Okay, click on this deploy schema. So after that, click on this migrate data. You can see we are navigating only employee details and employee details. Okay, remaining we are not migrating, only 3. Okay, start migration. So we have successfully migrated 3 tables. Okay, now we will check whether the new database is created or not on the Azure SQL database. Okay, this is our SQL database, Azure SQL database. Click on the, okay, where is our password? This is our password. Click on OK. Now you can see you have a data. Okay, yeah, you can see this is the data we have. This is a way we have to migrate the on-premises SQL database to Azure SQL database. Okay, thank you so much guys. Please share my channel.